Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write in Microsoft Excel gamma symbol. So to write this symbol in Excel, click on insert, then equation, and in this third line almost you will see useful symbols. So here is the gamma. So select it, and any reason you will not find this gamma symbol. So quick way, slash and type here gamma and press space bar one time. So this way you can type this gamma symbol. Similar, you can write delta symbol. Just type delta and one time space bar. So tap on space bar, theta, and almost you will find all useful symbols. Just slash and type it. Beta. Make sure I am pressing spacebar, not enter. So using this method, I mean using this equation method, slash and press enter, press space bar. That's it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.